stitches, yarn over and pull to 2 loops, yarn over and pull to 2 loops. Grab your yarn, insert the hook, insert the stitches, yarn over and pull to 2 loops and 2 loops. I love that this kind of music, you know, dramatic music is so, you know, like, I don't know why, it's very peaceful and it's very lovely. I really love this. Grab your yarn, insert the hook, insert the stitches, okay, yarn over and pull to 2 loops and then 2 loops. Do the same thing in the same stitches, make a double crochet. Actually, you guys are confused, right? I'm making this, okay, this one is the plant hanging, everybody, okay. Welcome to my live stream. You guys are from different country. Yarn over and pull to 2 loops and 2 loops, okay. You need to do like this every time. Yarn over and pull to 2, yarn over and pull to 2. Two loops, okay. Everybody, I'm making a plant hanging, okay. Don't be confused, everyone. Keep loving and supporting everybody. And everyone, don't forget to watch the tutorial video of butterfly, okay, everyone. Okay, I have a last, but I don't need to make, I need to count over here, okay. This is a 1 2, you need to count 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. I need to count like this. Let me count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17 18 19 20 21 22. Okay, we have to make one more times right over here, okay. This is a 22 and then 20 oh no 23 and 24, okay. And now you can make a slip stitch in the third chain right over here. We are going to make a slip stitch. Okay, everybody, you can see over here, okay. This one is very easy. This is a plant hanging, okay. And we can hide this together. You need to hide your short yarn over here. Hey everybody, thank you so much for the 10k subscribers. Thank you. Lots of love, everyone. Love you all. Thank you. I'm so happy for 10k. Wow. Thank you, everyone. I'm so happy. You guys are so supportive and lovely people from different country. Okay, I need to tie this, everybody, okay. So maybe you guys can understand like what I'm making right now, okay, is this part, okay. Everyone, don't be confused. We need to stuffing right over here, and this is a plant hanging. We need to make a plant now, okay. So let's make a plant. You can see over here, this is a plant hanging. Ding 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 ding. You can do like this. So funny. You can just put the carrot over here and do like this, okay.